Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Instagram Music no result found error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do, or the troubleshooting that you can do, is to update your Instagram app. So I just go to do this, just go to the Google Play Store or App Store and then update it to the latest version, and just make sure that your phone is connected to internet or Wi-Fi or mobile data. And then next, what you can do is to sign out and sign in to Instagram. So if the solution one can solve the problem of the Instagram story music not working, just try the method 2, which is go to your profile section and then click the three horizontal lines, and then click settings and tap the logout button, and after that just sign into your Instagram account and then check if the music sticker works. The next, what you can do is to reinstall the Instagram app. So Instagram Music is still not working, just try method 3. Just press and hold the Instagram app on the home screen and then click the X button and click delete to install the app or in the Instagram app on your iOS device. And on Android, go to Google Play and then find Instagram app and then click on install and then download and install it again. And then what you can do next is to switch to a personal or creator account. So what's the reason for Instagram Music search not working for business accounts? So Instagram account prohibits business accounts from adding music to the stories because of copyright issues. So using a business account is one of the reasons for music not working issues. So in this situation, go to the Instagram settings and click the account and then tap the switch to personal account. So alternatively, you can choose to switch to creator account and then click if the or then check if the Instagram music works. So next, what you can do is to use a VPN. So currently Instagram music sticker is only available in several countries like the US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Sweden, France, Germany, and etc. So if Instagram music not working on your region, you can try a VPN to bypass the restriction. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.